Good afternoon. I'm Melissa with Sentimental Salvage and Design, and I'm making molds. Well, castings using molds. So I have this ghouly critter here. They're just plain old plastic skulls. Little articulated jaw here. These ones I got at Value Village, but I learned the hard way that they're $6.99 at Value Village, and they're like $3, $3.99, $2.99, something like that at the dollar store. So making them out of the air dry clay. It's probably backwards, but the IOD air dry clay, super soft and squishy. And the molds. So anyways, I'm gonna go with these ones, I think, next. And they're pretty simple. This is just cornstarch, just plain old cornstarch from Walmart. And you just brush it in. You don't need a lot. And then you just bang it out like that, just to get any of the major excess out. And you can see that it's right on in there now. Okay, so now you take out your little glob of clay. And the trick to this clay is just take out a bit that you'll need. I don't know if you can see this well, but you just push it on there. And I just press it in with the base of my thumb. I just push it on the mold. And these molds have these handy dandy little rims. Just push it in there. And it's easier if you just kind of push and slide to the outside of your mold. Just a plain old normal putty knife, the cheapy ones from Home Depot. This is 1.5 inches, I think. They work. This is good for smaller size molds. And what I do is I start halfway in the mold and I just pull back slowly, evenly. You don't have to press super hard. And it helps kind of make sure you get all your clay in every little crevice. And then just put it upside down. Sometimes it helps if you just have a little bit. It's like baking pie. Make sure you have some, making pie crust. Make sure you have some cornstarch on your table. And you just pry it out. And it just, as you curve the silicone mold, it just pops out. Now they are both out. And see? Pretty little castings. Now I just flip them over. They're pretty, I mean, they're fragile. They're easy to dent and make fingerprints in. I've done it many times. When I did the bee, I did it a lot. And I'm just gonna squeeze a little line of glue on here. Okay. Now, I think we're gonna go with the wider, this edge is a little bit wider. And I wanna kind of put that down on the cheekbone. Okay, let's move this so you can see it a little bit better. And just lightly push down on your edges, make sure it's all down. And the extra glue doesn't really matter because I'm gonna paint it, so you won't even see any of that. I think that looks kind of cool, or it's starting to look kind of cool. Plain old skull, just plastic, cheapy skull, and it's a lot heavier now with all this clay on it, but it looks so much cooler. And then once we get some paint on it, it's good. All right, so if you guys have any questions, or if you're watching this in the replay and you have any questions, just comment and I will get your answers to you. If you want any of the molds or the clay or any of the other IOD products, I have them all in stock. They're all on my website, sentimentalsalvage.ca. Just click the shop button and there's all the things. So everything's on there, and I ship nationwide. So